Hi everybody, hope you're doing great. Today I'll be reviewing the Badge Collection by Glas Vapor. The Badge Collection is a premium line of dessert and fruit flavors. 70BG 30PG blends, the Badge Collection is available in 30ml glass bottles in 3 levels of nicotine. The line is also available in 75 and 100ml crystal glass bottles. Guave is a sweet, juicy guava with a medley of seasonal fresh berries and a splash of pink lemonade. For the smell, I get sweet guava, floral notes, and background hints of sweet and tart berries. On the inhale, I get guava blended with sweet berries, with tart lemon notes on the exhale. Glazed is freshly baked layers of buttery pastry, topped with a warm sugar glaze, finished with hints of Madagascar vanilla. The smell is sweet pastry, with notes of vanilla and brown sugar. For the inhale, I get a creamy pastry with sweet vanilla. The exhale is maple brown sugar with lingering notes of cinnamon on the finish. O.F.T is mouth-watering juicy watermelon infused with old-fashioned saltwater taffy and hints of strawberry bubblegum. The smell is top notes of candy watermelon with hints of strawberry. I get a salty watermelon on the inhale with sweet and creamy strawberry on the exhale. Milk is a smooth and complex blend of strawberries and sweet cream, creating a refreshing strawberry milk. I get strong notes of sweet cream with hints of strawberry for the smell. The inhale is a creamy sweet vanilla blended with strawberries. The exhale is top notes of sweet cream with light salty notes on the finish. Pebbles is a sophisticated dessert blend of creamy and fruit cereal, macaroon, and sweet vanilla. It is a winner of Best in Cereal. The smell is a blend of cream and sweet citrus fruits. For the inhale, I get sweet and citrus fruits. The exhale is sweet cream with hints of corn cereal. Pound cake is warm sweet cake, blending with bright notes of fresh lemon zest and fragrant Madagascar vanilla. It is a winner of Best in Baked Goods. For the smell, I get predominantly sweet cream notes with hints of lemon. The inhale is sweet vanilla blended with cream. The exhale has creamy lemon notes on the finish. The Badge Collection is an amazing line. I didn't have a favorite because I had several. These flavors are very complex and I probably didn't pick up on all the flavors in the blends. The throat hit was excellent, as well as the vapor production. Overall, it's a premium line perfect for those with a sweet tooth. If you'd like to try out the Badge Collection for yourself, just click on the info link in the description box below this video. As always, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and connect with me on my social sites. Have an excellent day, and may the vape be with you.